Hi everybody, it's Miss Mills. I hope you're ready for a new math lesson. Today we'll be looking at broken rulers. Look at my ruler. I can't start my measurements at 0. Do you think we can measure the length of objects using a broken ruler? Let's find out. So we have 4 rulers that are broken. We can't start our measurements at 0. But you know, on a typical ruler, you can start at 0. You'll count all the way down to 12 inches on the inch side. But then when you turn it around, you'll be able to measure in centimeters and count all the way down to the end of the centimeter side. So let's start measuring with our broken rulers. There are going to be a few objects that we are going to measure today. And I'm going to show you those objects right now. We have a pencil. We're going to measure our pencil in centimeters. We have a highlighter. We'll also measure our highlighter in centimeters. We have a stapler. We'll measure this in inches. And then we have a pencil sharpener. You know you love those pencil sharpeners. We'll measure that in inches as well. So looking back at our objects, you'll be able to see the size of those objects, and we'll be able to determine the length of them when we measure today. So let's start measuring in inches our pencil sharpener. We're going to start at 2, and we're going to count on. Counting on makes things so much easier. So if we line up the object and we start at 2 and we count on, we'll see that it's closer to the 4 than the 5. So that means that our pencil sharpener is 2 inches long. Alright, now let's review. So when we measured our pencil sharpener, it was 2 inches long. We started at 2 inches and counted on using our broken ruler. Now let's look at the stapler. So we're going to measure the stapler in inches. We're going to start at 6. And then we are going to do the same thing that we did the first time. So now you try. So when I'm moving my finger, make sure you are counting on. Alright, so let's review. So did you get 6 inches for the stapler? Because when I counted on, the stapler was 6 inches long. Remember, we started at 6 and counted on using our broken ruler. Alright, let's measure the highlighter together in centimeters. So we are going to use the same strategy. We are going to count on. We're going to start at 11 and count on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I hope you had 14 centimeters just like me. And remember that you can measure anywhere on the ruler. So our highlighter is 14 centimeters long. We started at 11 centimeters and we counted on using our broken ruler. This is our last measurement. We are going to measure the pencil in centimeters. So I want you to count along with me all the way down to number 27, from 8 to 27. Take your time. I hope that when you measured your pencil, you had 19 centimeters, just like me. So the pencil was 19 centimeters long. We started at 8 and we counted on. Now let's review. We measured our pencil sharpener and our stapler in inches, and our highlighter and our pencil in centimeters. Remember, no matter where you start on the ruler, you should always use the count on strategy to help you with measuring the length of items. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson on broken rulers. Make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to leave a comment. I want to know what you thought about the lesson. Until next time.